thought it would be helpful to show you guys what this looks like in how it's compact, I guess. Easy to pack. So this is the only thing that doesn't fit like inside the machine. The cord is USB-C, so that's helpful if you've updated all your cords. You don't need to keep your old USB mini around. But here's the whole deal. All the parts fit in one piece. There's nothing else in the box. So the neat thing is when I take this in our little pop-up trailer, I don't have to worry about losing parts, you know. It all fits inside. So the top part, here actually, the bottom part, this is the cup if you want to use it as a cup, if you're like backpacking. And then this is one piece for the smaller pods. Then this is the other piece for the bigger pods. And then the water goes, you take off this lid, and this is where the water goes. So you have a place for all. There's a little measurement right there. But you have a place for all your different components. Even like, you know, if you don't want to separate them all. And I love that. I hate like losing that one piece and then later on you want to find it somewhere buried in a junk drawer or something. Just one button operation, but the directions are right there, so you won't lose that either. Anyway, really excited to take this camping. I'll post a better review once I actually make coffee.
Hello guys, this is the Amazon coffee maker, the portable espresso maker that I purchased from Amazon. It has pretty sleek design, easy to carry, and very easy to use. Comes with instruction, easy to follow instructions.